Ayan.
Hello, Baby John, Mommy Ted. Sayang hindi ako makakarating dyan ngayon. Pero I'm so sure na maraming mga naglalove kay Baby John na nag-attend ng benefit dinner. So, I just wanna say thank you sa lahat ng mga pumunta, lahat ng bumibili ng wristband si Baby John. Thank you sa support na binibigay ninyo sa kanya. For all the prayers, most importantly. And, yun na, I'm hoping to finally meet Baby John one day, pag may time. And, wishing you all the best. May this dinner not only be a benefit dinner, but one where you all can celebrate, of course, the life of Baby John. Ano nga ba yung tagline ni Baby John? It's when an angel back. So, let's all work together in making this possible. Hi, Mommy, Dad, Baby John, love you. Wishing you guys all the best. Have a